Mm-hmm. Da 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 down, da da down, da da down, da da down. I woke up late again. My thoughts got a running start. Took my jaw for a run. Left me with a paper heart. My shadow filed the case. Said you live in overdrive. I laughed in his face, then it laughed right back alive. I made tea for my nerves. They shook the spoon and fled. My mind wore tiny shoes and kicked the walls in my head. But I still move step by step, even shaky eyes, don't forget. The rain can talk, I let it speak. Then I bounce back on tired feet. Pocket full of thunder, oh yeah. Pocket full of thunder, I'm still here. My fear gets loud, I get louder. Pocket full of thunder, oh yeah. Depression came dressed up like a cousin I can't ditch. Sat heavy on the sofa, acting smooth and slightly rich. I said, you want a snack? Is it I want your whole day? I grabbed my lucky socks and sent that moody ghost away. My heart plays hide and seek with every little bill, but I dance in the kitchen like I got time to heal. My mouth says maybe not, my feet say watch me go. I'm a comet in the storm with a stubborn little glow, but I still move step by step, even shaky eye. Don't forget, the rain can talk, I let it speak, then I bounce back on tired. Pocket full of thunder, oh yeah. Pocket full of thunder, I'm still here. My fear gets loud, I get louder. Pocket full of thunder, oh yeah. When the dark gets chatty, I answer with my name. When the room feels heavy, I break it with a grin.